This is the Olay Magnemask Magnetic Infuser. It's a part of the Hydrating Starter Kit. So in the kit comes the tool, the infuser, and you also get a jar mask. I'm using the hydrating one. It's a face mask you're meant to use before bed. So you apply it like you would your moisturizer, but instead you're going to apply it with this tool. The magnetic infuser is specially formulated with magnets to push the ingredients, specifically niacinamide and Penta-Peptides that are in the jar mask, push them further into your skin. So I'm going to give it a go now. So then I'm going to use the magnetic infuser in circular motions to get those ingredients further in. Okay, I'm done massaging it in now. It does feel a little bit heavier than a moisturizer would before bed, but that's because it's meant to stay on and provide hydration through the whole night. I used the hydrating mask. It was super easy to use, and I think anyone who loves to get a boost of hydration overnight will absolutely love it.